Kailangan kong itali si aso. Kasi nagwawala. Nakita kasi ng baboy eh. Masyal kasi yung mga baboy dito. Ayan na. Ayan yung mama na baboy. There's a new baby baboy there. Oh. This mama pig a lot of baby. See? There's two baby here. And there's two there. We need to exit now, boy. We need to exit now. Don't disturb them.